The Achievement Club is an awards program designed to recognize Bay East realtors who have used the Paragon MLS and closed more than $3.5 million or closed 10 or more transactions in residential or commercial sales or 5 transactions in lease and rentals for the year. Certificates will be available the week of February 21st. Bay East will pull the data from Paragon MLS the week of February 14th and generate dollar volume reports to identify all Realtor members who meet one of the following award criteria. Prior to the week of February 14th, we request that you review your inventory on the MLS and make sure all your sales statuses are up to date to ensure you receive the correct certification. If you believe you should be placed in a different category than the award you receive or have sales generated outside the Paragon MLS, you have until Tuesday, March 22nd to email backup documentation such as a HUD-1 or a letter from your broker to Amber Carnahan at amberc@bayeast.org. Congratulations on all you accomplished in 2021.